Welcome to Glam Guider. Let's walk you through Glam Guider, your trusted beauty research and review platform built to help you discover the right products through real reviews and research backed insights. To get started, visit glamguider.com or download the app. Begin by signing up and completing your profile. Select your skin type and hair type oily, dry, sensitive, curly, straight, and more. This is what makes Glam Guider personal. Every review and recommendation you see is filtered for someone exactly like you. Now head to the community page. This is where real people share real experiences. Search any beauty product and see honest reviews from people who have actually used it. You can filter by skin type and hair type so you only see what's relevant to you. And when you have tried any product yourself, sharing your experience is super simple. Tap on Add Your Review, search and select the product you have used, set your beauty profile, rate the product based on your experience, write your honest review, share what worked or didn't work for you, and hit Submit. Your review can actually help someone else avoid the wrong product and discover what actually works for them. Not sure what's inside your product? Head to the ingredient checker. Search any ingredients like niacinamide, retinol, or salicylic acid and get a complete breakdown, including its function, best suited skin types, comedogenic rating, irritation rating, formulation pH range, origin, and common usage. You can also understand what each rating means, helping you make smarter and more informed skincare decisions before using a product. Glam Guider also has detailed articles designed to help you understand beauty and skincare in a more informed way. Simply select the category and article you want to know about. Get complete information through detailed tips, correct product usage, key ingredients, benefits, common mistakes, and everything you should know before choosing a product. Then scroll to the end to discover curated expert recommended products related to the topic you just explored, where you can directly click and purchase the products as well, helping you make more informed and confident beauty decisions. Want to understand beauty and skincare beyond just products? Explore the blog section. From trending topics and skincare tips to detailed ingredient guides, product usage, and expert backed information. This is where you build real knowledge that helps you make smarter and more informed beauty decisions. Glam Guider also rewards you through its loyalty point system, where every meaningful action on the platform helps you earn rewards. Just tap on the loyalty points icon from the top corner to open your rewards section. Here you can track your total points, redeem points, available redemption options, and transaction history. You can also claim loyalty points on products purchased through Glam Guider and redeem your collected points through available reward options like gift cards. And your streak keeps you motivated to keep going every day because consistency is what gets results in skincare and in rewards. The referral feature is one of the fastest ways to earn more loyalty points. Just go to your profile, tap on the referral code option, and copy your referral link. Share it with others, and when they sign up on Glam Guider using your link, both of you earn rewards. The more people you invite, the more points you earn. It's that simple. Before you spend on any product, explore the deals and coupons section to discover ongoing offers, discounts, and smart savings on beauty and personal care products. You can also check out the trial kit section where you can try smaller versions of products before committing to a full-size purchase. This helps you find what suits you before spending more. Glam Guider is not here to sell you something, it's here to guide you. Every feature is designed so that every beauty decision you make feels right, feels informed, and feels like yours. No more, choose smarter, earn while you do it. Download the Glam Guider app today and start your smarter beauty journey.